Hey guys, thank you for joining me. Today I will be calculating cash cover ratio for Marks and Spencer for year 2017 and 2018 using their financial statements taken from the annual reports for 2018. Liquidity ratios are an important tool to analyze the financial performance of a business in the area of liquidity. Liquidity means an organization's ability to pay off its obligations, debts, overdrafts, or suppliers' money when they fall due. So if they have to pay £50,000 in a month's time, do they have £50,000 to pay off or not? If they are unable to pay off their obligations, then they could be in trouble. Their lenders could go to the court to get them bankrupt, and then the business assets will be sold to pay off its liabilities. And it does happen quite often with the businesses who are not able to pay off their loans. Cash cover ratio compares the net cash flow from operating activities. So how much cash we generated by doing our core operation, not by borrowing or not by selling our assets. So how much cash we generated from our operations divided by how much cash do we need to pay out to settle our liabilities. In cash cover ratio, we compare our total liabilities with the cash generated from operating activities. So let's look at our cash cover ratio. So let's solve this ratio now. Looking at our formula, we need two figures. The first one is cash generated from operations, and the second figure is our current liabilities. Cash generated from operation figure can be obtained from our statement of cash flow. We already know our current liabilities, so I'll do that first to make things quicker. And then we will pick up so going to my statement of cash flow, which is normally the fourth statement, cash operated from activities is 849.8 and 1067.7. So 849.8, first of all, let's do this. 849.8 and 1067.7. 1067.7. Let's use the division sign here to keep things clear. And now doing the math, cash operated from generating activities divided by our current liabilities, and the same thing for 2017. Reducing my decimal places, 45 pence for a pound and 47 pence for a pound. This doesn't look good. This means that if Marks and Spencer have to pay £1 in future in a year time, they will only be generating 47 pence in the next 12 months. So they will be generating less money. 45 pence and 47 pence, the difference is very small if we look at horizontal analysis. However, the figure itself is very small. So what could be done to resolve this issue? They could try to generate more cash by making more sales. So different marketing strategy, for example. On the other hand, maybe a short-term loan would be required. But if this problem is persistent over a long time, then maybe a longer-term loan should be acquired to resolve this problem. It would be worth comparing these figures with other companies in the same sector to see how the results are with the other companies, which would help you to analyze these results in a bit more details. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you in another video soon.